Yes, Papa. Anybody? Anybody? Come and give me the answer. Come down. No, I can't hear you over there. I want the answer in my ear. Oh. Okay, so we have the answer right here. So you mention it to everybody's hearing. What did you say?
Lewen.
Oh, go in Tanzania, Lewen. Please, go for your reward. No, come. Okay, so I'm going to ask the next question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so Kotori Tanzania Lewen did not go to school, right? But he has education at heart. So he built a very big school in Kumasi. Look, as big as Medas in Kumasi. If you know the name of the school, come down and tell me. Answer, share the answer. Say the answer to everybody's hearing.
Great mind.
Yes, Great Minds International. All right, Madam Becky. Hello. Are you ready for the next surprise? Are you ready? Now, if I tell you Kojo Tanzania Lewen is here right now, do you believe me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Awesome. Madam, I love the energy. I love the energy. Are you ready for the